Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So if you all have seen my last video, that video was my lash haul video where I got about 25 pairs of lashes for $14. So if you haven't, make sure you check that out. So people have been asking me how I stack my lashes. On that video, I mentioned that I typically stack my lashes and wear 2 pairs on each eye at once because I'm dramatic. And people want to know how I do that, and also they want to know how I usually put them on with my long nails. So I'm going to make sure I show you all how to do that on this video. So make sure you all keep watching and hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Okay, so these were some of the lashes featured on that video, where this had about 7 pairs in it for about $3. So I'm wearing 1 pair right now, so I'm going to show you all how I usually stack my lashes. So I think it's better if you don't try to pull the lash off of this. I discovered that a lot of the Aliexpress lashes are really stuck to these containers they come in. So for this and this alone, I think it's best you do use tweezers, because I have ripped a lash band before and just ruined the lash. So you would just lift it at the end, at the edge right here. And bam, it's off. So on one eye, I want to show you all how my lashes look when I don't stack my lashes. And the other eye, I'm going to show you all how my lashes look when I stack my lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and put this one lash on this eye. This will be my undramatic eye. Like, do you all see the difference lashes make? But okay, so the lash glue I'm using today, it has some hair stuck on it, is by Broadway Lashes. So this glue, you can't find it anywhere online. I've looked. It's only found like at Family Dollar and Dollar General. Like even when I look Broadway lash glue, I can never find it. I'll try to do some more research for people outside the US, because I'm not sure if you can get it. But this lash glue stays on all day. Like, I have slept in lashes before and they stay on. Like, I never worry about the wind or anything. So you just apply it to the band. It's so thin, like I guess I'll have to use me as the background. Like, I just feel like this is not enough lash for anyone. I just love thick lashes. And you blow it to make the glue tacky. I'm pretty sure a lot of you already know this. Okay. So I think it would be really easy for you guys if you all take a vanity mirror. So this is my vanity mirror, and I tilt it up and I look down at the mirror. So I'm looking down at the mirror, and I'm holding my hand up to where it's gonna fall directly on my eyelash, almost. And oh. There you go. So I'm using my actual fingertips to apply the lash and not my nails. You want to use your fingertips. So this looks a little wonky to me. Like, this is so, like, it barely even looks like I have on lashes when you look at this eye, which I already had it on. But let's get into this stack method. Let's show you all how you do that. So once again, I'm going to use the tweezers to take off. Ooh. I'm going to use the tweezers to take the lash off of this container, whatever thing, by grabbing the end. And I just usually sit it somewhere. So let's sit this. You know what? I'm going to use this palette. It's not black, so you all will be able to see. So I'm just going to sit this lash on here. Remove another lash. So I'm holding the second lash now. Here's your first lash. on this container. So here, we're just gonna sit it on top of each other, and it's just that simple. Oh, position them on top of each other. This is like as close as I got it. I'm gonna show you all, hold on 1 second. As you can see, I'm just pinching the two lashes together, making sure the bands are perfectly aligned. So a lot of times, wherever you get your lashes from, they will already have some kind of adhesive to them, to where these two lashes will be able to stick together without even applying your lash glue to the lashes. And you want to keep the same U shape to them. You don't want to straighten them up while you're trying to line them up. You just want to lay them on top of each other. So now that you got your lashes on top of one another, you're going to apply the lash glue. So not only are you going to apply the lash glue directly to the band, you also want to go up a little bit and apply it to make sure the two lashes stick together too. So. Okay. Y'all see how sticky these lashes are? Like, that lash glue is no joke. So let me remove this lash off camera. Oh my goodness, I look really crazy right now. Okay, let me hurry up and put this lash on. So you take your fingertips, you're holding the bottom of the lash. I think this is very easy when the lashes are longer. But you're gonna place it just right on your eye. And like now, you can definitely see the difference. You can definitely see the difference of 2 pairs of lashes and 1 lash. The stack method, no stacking. Like, this just looks so beautiful. Like, this is beautiful, but this is kind of, like, this eye looks way more open than this eye. I feel like I wouldn't even be able to tell I have on lashes. Like, let's try to look to the side. Like, oh, hold on. I know, like, you can see it easily when I look to the side over here. Over here? Not so much, right? Okay, so the process is kind of simple. You just pick up the lashes from the container with tweezers, and then you're gonna lay the lashes on top of each other. Make sure to glue the band itself, well, the bottom of the band where it's gonna stick to your eye, and the band where the 2 lashes are together. And make sure to blow on it so the glue becomes tacky, and you're placing it on your eye. Like, once you do that once, like, you don't have to do it anymore. Like, I wear my lashes for maybe a week, sometimes 2. So once you do that, like, they're usually gonna stick together like that from then on out. Like, I've never had lashes like separate from one another after I like stacked them. So anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, guys. Bye.